Ni kedai bati CCTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulai Nongkwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Kesorkar jela kelebu thong ban Pyntreikam no yaka entry point kabadan hagasnong umling Ribhoi district ha leni Shwa kakatsan Tarik jong Nohprah arjar arpo. Yaka nila pentip do usembut menteri rangba ke jela ba preston tensong haba yakren berkilat pathai kubor haka nyo Tarik ubnai risau arjar arpo katkum gajingi tho jong ba preston tensong kesorkar kalamang pisaru hadu lai klur tengka ban pen urlong ya kani ka kherdop talasi mender ya ka bagi sang bahalang kila dawan kesorkar jela ban pen urlong no kham kloi khnang ban te lekam ya ka jingwan rung kerthep jong ki menderi bat kibar jela sepok ke jela Meghalaya.
They have already submitted the plan, the estimate, the details, everything. So all facilities will be there, including the entry point of COVID-19. COVID-19 also will be shifted over there, and then entry point also will be set up over there. Rock in that place means to make it plain. So ultimately, to Meghalaya, so ultimately, new sanction was given. It's about maybe 3 crores, where we converted right now into prefab structure, and this prefab structure will be completed. At least, I'm just telling, we'll be able to make it operationalized from on or before 15 December. Let me repeat again. Entry points at Umling will be made operationalized on or before 15 December 2020.